Hello my guys, you welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show a cake for the beginners. Like this video, subscribe, share with friends and families, and leave your comments. Thank you. Let's get started. Showing this cake for the beginners. These are the items that we are going to use. As a beginner, maybe you don't have measuring cup or you don't have scale. I'm going to show you what you need. So first, as a beginner, use a little pan to do your practical. This is just 3 inches cake pan. Then crease the inside with butter. You crease it with butter, then dust it with all-purpose flour. Why you are doing this is for the cake to come out very easy. So you need a cup like this. If you don't have measuring cup, your milk cup can go for it. This cup is 235 ml. That is 1 cup. That's cup. Then you need this cup to do all your measurements. But I'm going to use my kitchen scale to do my measurement. This measurement is equal to the cup also. So I'm using here 1.5 sugar, 1.5 cups of 1.5 cup of sugar. Then I'm going to use 250 grams of butter. But that 250 grams of butter is equal to this 235 ml of oil. So I'm going to use oil here. If you measure it in the scale here, it will give you the same ml or grams. And you have flour, 2.5. So this is my flour, 2.5 cups of flour. If you measure it in the scale here, it will give you 250 grams. 250 grams. So if we want to measure it, we will pour it into any leather. I'm using Ziploc bag here. I want to pour it into it. You see that? Good. So your flour and your butter must be equal size. 250 and the butter 250. Let's start mixing it. I'm using 5 large eggs here. Then I'll use 2 cups of flavor of your choice. Then I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of baking powder. That will be 5 ml with my measuring spoon. Then a pinch of salt. I'll also add flavor from the orange peel. So let's start by mixing our egg. Start by mixing with the egg first. Where you don't have the cake mixer, you can mix it with your hand. This is the all-purpose flour now. A pinch of salt, the baking powder, 1 tablespoon in your baking spoon measurement. And you mix it very well. Then my flavor, the orange peel flavor. I'm creaming the pan, as I told you, with butter so that it will help the cake to come out very well. So you must cream your pan generously with butter so that the cake will not stick inside. So after creaming it, you see it. You now dust it with all-purpose flour. Then do it round. Perfect. There is no sugar in it again. The whole sugar have dissolved. So it's time to add my flour. I'll make it bit by bit. Make sure there is no lumps in it. Let's check it. Take a clean spoon. Yes, right inside. Remove it. It's clean. That means your cake is ready. You remove it. Let's turn it. Wow, that's nice. Thank you. See you in my next video.